So most of the metrics that I just showed you there was around the systems level, right? I didn't show any metrics around strategy, but that's what we have to even measure the strategy. One of the very important point which I want to drive here is that very often when you're trying with this transformation initiative, if you don't document your as-is properly, let me tell you what happens. Okay, let's say, and this also gives you an idea about the the difference between symptoms and the problems. Let's say you one fine day you get a headache, right? So your first reaction is you just pick up some medicine or maybe call up your spouse or friend, and you think that you got a headache because you didn't sleep properly or something like that, or you didn't eat properly, right? And you sleep. Next day you get the headache, same time on Tuesday evening, right? This time you felt that okay, that medicine was not good, so you go to a nearby shop and you try to buy the medicine over the counter, right? Day 3 you got the same headache. Wow, so now you realize that the solution that you got on the day 1 and the day 2 is not good enough. Now this time now you go to physician, right? And he's prescribed some medicine for you. So now you feel that something is wrong with you, right? So you take that medicine, you eat, you sleep. Wow, the problem reappears on Thursday as well. Now you realize that it is not a problem. What was a problem on day 1 is not a problem. Now it is a symptom of something else. You now consult a surgeon. And surgeon tells you, guy, go and get this MRI scans, right? And he does all the scans for you, and then this guy says, okay, now is the time for the surgery, and then the guy undergo the surgery, right? Now imagine surgeon doing the surgery without the MRI scan. What's going to happen? So it is pretty much, right, what we are trying to do the transformation for an enterprise, which is an operational enterprise. We're not starting a company from scratch, right? If you're starting a company from scratch, your as is 0, right? But if you are going to operate on a working enterprise, you better get your all the artifacts, all the different kinds of models properly documented, because if you don't understand what an operational enterprise looks like, you're trying to change. It is catastrophic. I'm like, imagine a surgeon operating on a live person without getting these scans, right? So it's very, very important that I wanted to understand what are new revenues. So what I'm just showing you example here is from the cost savings, but it could also result in an increase in revenue, right? And then can I plot this on saying my year 1, I'm going to look at issues on, let's say, legacy initiative. Other important thing for me is look at elimination of obsolescence as priority in the year 1, right? In the year 2, creating a standard service access layer, more legacy, getting sunset, looking at efficiency of the process are going to be more critical in the by year 3, right? So we must define, and evolve